Jeremy. After an eventful 8 years together, we have made it to our special day. A day when the two of us will become husband and wife, surrounded by our closest family and friends. Our life together so far has had highest of highs and sometimes lowest of lows, and we've become stronger in love with each moment that passes. I promise, as your wife, to continue to love you and support you, to adhere to your love languages, even when it's not my thing.
To the love of my life. I'm restlessly excited and can't wait to finally say I do to you because you're my best friend. I fell in love with you when you opened up your heart to me and especially Cadence. I love you and can't wait to see you walk down the aisle. Always, Big Papa Pump.
Hey, perfect. Like I told you the whole time.
Oh my goodness.
Ba-ba-boo.
Yeah, I know. You're beautiful. God, I know you're just absolutely beautiful.
Jeremy and Tiffany, love is the force that brings us all here today. In fact, love is the force behind much of what we do every day, whether it's making a meal for our family or taking time to teach our children. Love is always the reason. As you go into married life, remember the reason you get up each morning. Remember the reason you sacrifice, the reason you give, and the reason you laugh. The reason you are legally becoming a family. All marriages have its ups and downs. If you will make a habit of returning to your reason, you will find the strength to choose each other in every moment.
I, Jeremy,
I, Tiffany,
take you, Tiffany, to be my wife,
take you, Jeremy, to be my husband,
my partner in life,
my partner in life,
and my one true love.
and my one true love.
I will love you today, tomorrow, and forever, into eternity.
I love you today, tomorrow, forever, and eternity.
I will love you faithfully.
I will love you faithfully.
Of wedding bands, I can now say, by the power vested in me, by the Universal Life Church and the great state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jeremy, kiss your bride.
Jeremy said, one of the reasons I'm marrying her, she's on top of things. I asked him, what are some other reasons you're marrying Tiffany? Jeremy said, I don't have time for that. We need to get to dinner.
Tiffany, I know we can't choose our family, but I think every day for whoever makes that decision for us, that because you're not only my cousin, but you're one of my best friends, my favorite people in this world.
Jeremy, about that time. Tiffany, hurry. I'm not getting any younger. I need grandbabies.
Thinking about the wrong turn.
you joined in and he's with you. So thank you guys. I love you guys very much and you're awesome. So cheers. Yeah.
And Tiffany, I'm just so glad you're going to be more a part of the family. And I say, those wedding vows are serious and they'll last forever. So I'm so happy for you.
These are the best of all our days. These are the best of our days. These are the best of all our days. So let's spend a little time together. Sweet as the sunshine, starting up the day. Side by side together, and that's where we'll stay. 'Cause these are the memories we'll keep. So hold on tight to every